Shalom friends, Dr. Eli Lizorkin Eisenberg is here for you with great news. Today we introduce our new 7-day tuition-free trial for you to study with Israel Bible Center. That's right, you heard me right. This is 7-day, a whole week of studying before you pay any of tuition at all. You will now be able to see for yourself what is the Certificate in Jewish Context and Culture program. You will get over 45 crash courses on variety of Jewish context and culture topics. You will be granted access to more than 55 roundtable talks with world-leading scholars of Jewish background, of New Testament and the Hebrew Bible. You will truly be surprised at the value you're going to receive from studying at Israel Bible Center. You've got nothing to lose, so go ahead and click on the link, sign up for your 7 free tuition days of trial.